This application pays 63p for answering a single question with no disqualifications. What if I told you there's an app where you can earn up to 63p by answering a single question with 0 disqualifications? There's no long surveys, there's no screening questions. All you need to do is answer this one question and it takes around 15 seconds to do so. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our YouTube channel, our aim is to help the online money-making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. As many of you probably know, I do use multiple different applications to generate an income online, and that includes watching ads, playing games, and even completing surveys. One application that often goes under the radar is a video survey application known as Influence. I've been using this application since 2018, and I earn up to 63p for answering a single question. I've actually left a link in the description to Influence, and if you sign up with my link, you actually receive a £1 starting bonus, which is a nice little way to get you started on the app. Anyways, let's break down how this application works and how you can make the most out of it. What is Influence? Influence, previously known as 𝐓𝐢𝐻.me, is a market research application that pays you for sharing your opinions through short selfie videos. Instead of filling out a long written survey, brands simply ask you a simple question and you record that response on your phone's camera. It's that easy. You may be wondering, what questions does this application ask? Well, it's about everyday things such as products you buy, adverts you've seen, and brands you recognise. The only requirement you have is that you clearly answer the question, and the video needs to be at least 15 seconds long. So I've got my spare iPhone right here, and I've actually got a survey right now on Influence, and it's asking me who my favourite YouTuber is. So why don't we answer it and I can demonstrate how easy it is to earn on this application. Let's get into it. So my favourite YouTuber is 𝐒𝐤𝐬 UK. He's known for doing his financial content, which is something I really engage with. He showcases tips and tricks when it comes to surveys and strategies, and it's just something which I can really engage with. It offers a different perspective and allows me to actually increase my income and increase my net worth. And there you have it. It's that easy. Once you've recorded the video, all you need to do is actually upload it, and then the platform will review it. It normally takes around 5 minutes to do so. After that, the reward is added straight into your account. This one paid me 25p for answering that single question. How great is that? And best of all, I've never been disqualified from one of these video surveys. Survey frequency. On Influence, there are generally 2 types of opportunities available. The first ones are the generic weekly studies, which pay 25p per question. These typically appear every Tuesday and Saturday at around 10 AM, but they do tend to fill up fast, so it's best to complete them as soon as they appear. Just to give a bit of context, the question I've just answered about YouTube was part of these generic studies, and it has literally just come in. That's why I jumped on it. The higher paying opportunities. The second type of studies are product specific, and these are where the higher earnings come in. Every so often, you'll receive a notification from the app saying a new survey is available. These qualification surveys are normally 4 questions about products or brands that you may use. Depending on your answers, you may qualify for exclusive studies. These are higher paying opportunities, typically paying 63p per question, and most of the time there are multiple questions available within that same study. In a lot of cases, there are 5 questions available in this study. That's over £3 for a few minutes of work by just talking to your phone. Just like the standard generic studies, make sure that your answer matches the question being asked, and it is at least 15 seconds long. Cashing out. On Influence, you can cash out once your account reaches £10, and the money is sent directly to your PayPal. Here's some lovely payment proof. Truth be told, Influence is a fantastic application. Here is some of the reviews that some of the users have put onto the App Store. I have earned around £35 in total, and I could easily have earned more than that if I put more effort into it. I checked my app one day, and I had earned £25 for one of these surveys I completed. Hi, I'm at present enjoying the app. I have done several surveys already and I can see how much I've made, and my son has also been doing it and has reached £10 and successfully transferred his £10 to his PayPal account. Final thoughts. I've personally been using Influence since 2019, and while it's not something that will replace your full-time income, it's a great low-effort way to earn some extra income on the side that only takes a few seconds every few days. Even if you complete just the generic video surveys when they appear, you'll still earn above £25 a year for roughly 30 seconds of effort each week. What's not to love there? Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, it'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.